Now, the first thing is the Robo Mower. What I love about this is that...
This is cool.
This is so cool. It's the real deal. When my 12-year-old self would have fallen in love with this thing, right? Because I was mowing everybody's lawn, and this thing would have done the job a lot easier. So the cool thing is you can, stake out stakes around your yard where you want it to go. It will do up to an acre per charge. An acre. That's a lot. That's a lot. So if you have more than an acre, well, you have too big of a house, and too big of a yard. But this thing, you can also run it by remote control, too.
Cool.
And of course, you can see, it gets over everything. I mean, it can get a little squirrely on you, but oh, look at this. So the cool thing is...
all I think when I see this is I could be drinking and grilling while the lawn is being mowed.
Totally. So there's sensors around it. Cool thing is there's all these features. If somebody picks it up, there's a safety feature on it, so it will cut off the blade. It's very safe, and
it's very safe, and it's very cool.
And it's just cool looking, right? I mean, it's kind of massive. It's for all the guys. So anybody, this is something perfect to have around the house. It's a little expensive, but after a few, years, you will pay it off. Trust me, I mowed everybody's lawn.
What's the ballpark price on that, you guys?
At 21.
About 1,000?
About 2,100.
Oh, 2,100.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
All right, whatever.
Trust me,
never have to mow your lawn
two summers,
again.
that thing is paid off, all right?
Easy enough. Okay. Reach in there and find out who's never gonna mow their lawn again.
Oh, man, I'm so jealous of you. I want this. Joan Dronzik.
Joan, you are psyched about that lawnmower.
You got it.
Are you? Do you have a lawn?
I do have a little.
You have a yard that you can use that.
Absolutely.
Will you call me and tell me how it works? Because maybe I'll come over and...
Sure, absolutely.
Enjoy your pressure washing.
Yeah.
Yes.